Hello everybody, this is going to be a pretty short video. Flint and Steel Survival wanted me to do a pocket dump, and I've owed it to him for a couple weeks and I just couldn't remember to do it, so I'm going to do that today. Let's see, I need to make a knife video, and I've got a couple I need to make today anyways. I just got this in the mail. It's a Bahco Laplander. David from High Carbon Steel Love sent me this saw, and he knew that I had given away all my saws in the 300 sub giveaway. he said, can you make me a sheath for a Bahco? And David is a real good friend of mine, and I said, sure. I said, send me some measurements and I'll make you one. And he said, well, you can get the measurements off your saw when it gets there. Well, okay. Anyways, that's David from High Carbon Steel Love. He's a great guy. Oh my God, he's such a nice guy. I appreciate that. And now to see what's in my pockets. And believe it or not, I don't like a lot of crap in my pockets. So most of it hangs on my belt. And we got, let's see, there's my motorcycle key, that's in my pocket. An 8mm socket. Why? I don't know. Let's see. Got my smoker. I call it my smoker. It's a vapor pen. Let's see. My little Case XX knife. It's a razor blade. I use it at work. All I use it for is cut stitches out and take stuff apart and all that. I bought that thing probably 15 years ago for $20 off Crackhead, and it is a good knife, I'm telling you what. Okay, yeah, this knife right here, flipper knife. I love flipper knives. You see, it's got my name on it. Hello, Joe.
Hello.
See, it's got my name on it.
They're gonna use your lawnmower?
Yeah, go ahead.
Gas everything?
Probably not.
Run out, get some gas?
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I was afraid it was going to run out yesterday, so.
Okay, I'll run out and get some.
Okay. There's all kinds of jugs on the back porch.
There's some jugs right here too, they alright?
Yeah, you can use those too.
You're gonna have to edit me out now?
Nah. My son Joe getting the lawnmower. Here's my keys. Got a lighter on here. Gorilla tape. And shot cord. Simple. Simple. I like to keep it simple. Okay, and then I've got this tool here. It's called the Shard. It's from Gerber. It came with a knife that Robert from Bluegrass Bushcraft sent me. And then my little TI3 light. This thing is freaking awesome. I'm telling you what, it is crazy bright. And then that's on my little survival keychain thing. And keys. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Here's my SCHF 16 neck knife that I made a belt clip for out of PVC. It hangs right under my big fat belly where no one can see it. It was too heavy to hang around my neck, but I keep that thing sharp. All my knives are freaking razor blades. Let's see. Here we go. What is this thing? Okay, Gerber suspension. Carry it. Very handy tool. Got all kinds of good stuff on it. Let's see. Wallet. Cheap dollar store leather wallet. No good stuff. And my 40 caliber Smith & Wesson. Carry it all the time. And let's see. Get off the belt. That's it. So Flint and Steel Survival, that's what I carry every day. If you guys haven't checked out Flint's channel, you need to go check it out. He's got a good channel. Does a lot of good stuff on there. He's a great guy. Comments on all my videos and stuff. So go check him out. And that's it for the junk out of my pockets. Take care, everybody.